with
Yes,
you,
so welcome to
Yanni.
my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, I can.
Oh, is this Manami?
Yeah, I'm Manami.
Yeah, nice to meet you today, Manami. How are
Nice to meet you
you?
too. Yeah, I'm good.
Oh,
Yes.
good to hear that. Yes. Are you in Japan right now?
Yes, I'm in
Yeah,
Japan.
because some of my students sometimes they're Japanese, but they are in other country. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's right.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, how's it going? Are you working or studying?
I'm working.
Yeah, just working from home or you're working in the office?
Uh, Today I stayed at I s- I worked at home, but
Oh, okay.
tomorrow I need to go to office.
Mm,
Yes.
all right. So,
Mm.
is it something that you can just decide by yourself or you have a schedule to follow? Oh,
Yes, I have a schedule to follow,
wow.
but until yeah, um, until this week,
Okay.
we have schedule
Oh, yes.
to which day I need to stay at home or which day I should go to office. But
Yes.
from next week, I need to go to office every day
Every day. Oh,
as
I
usual.
see. I see. So it's not the same every week. Okay, so you could have a different schedule next week than what you have
Mm.
this week. I see.
But
Oh,
yeah, it's because Japanese what prime minister
mm.
decided what that Japan is what the urgent situation.
Ah, is it
It's
another state of
no
emergency? State of emergency again?
yes, yes,
Oh,
yeah,
really?
yes,
Is
that
it
can.
only today?
I don't know. It's from end of April
Ah,
to 20th June. So this week
June.
it will finish.
This week it will end. All
Yeah,
right.
yeah. The
Okay.
next Sunday it will finish, and so from next week maybe people can go out to
Mhm.
stay as usual.
I see.
Mm.
So everybody will work now next week in the office, something like that.
Ah,
Mhm.
yes, yes.
I see. Just like it's like back to normal. Really?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. How's the coming Olympic? Is it
Ah,
something that is, let's say, talk of the town? Is everybody talking about the Olympic?
ah, but yeah, still people think the people can't believe it will be
They are still
held.
hoping
held
that it will be canceled?
yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah, but maybe
Mm,
the government. Yeah, we can feel the government would like to
yeah,
held,
that's right. That's right. So they will continue to f push the
but
Olympic to hold
yeah,
it. That's right.
yes, but
Exactly.
people don't people can't
Mm-hmm.
understand why they want to hold it. It
Mm-hmm.
will be can it yeah we can get any profit from the outcome. So
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes,
yeah,
yes, yes.
I don't know.
So you,
Yeah,
how
we
about
don't know
you?
what will happen.
How about
Hmm?
you, personally? Do you
Personally,
agree or not to be held?
personally, I disagree.
Ah, you disagree.
I
Okay.
disagree
I see, I
to
see.
health. Yes, because
Mm-hmm.
mm, still now people people are trying to mm, what even now the government think this situation is urgent
Mm-hmm.
and the people don't go out or
But yes.
go outside, but
Yeah.
it, yeah, but they want
Mm-hmm.
to they want to
They
continue
still
the
want to
Olympic
continue the Olympics, right?
schedule.
I see, I
So
see.
I can't understand what's the
Yes. Yeah,
difference.
I also read about an article that says there are like 350,000 Japanese people um, who requested the Olympic to be canceled. Like
Uh,
they gave their signatures asking the
yes.
government to stop, to cancel it, and also like 6,000 doctors also were requesting it to be canceled.
Uh,
Yeah, but
I'm I'm
mhm,
curious. I have a curiosity
mhm,
how other countries think about
mhm.
this situation. Like how other countries see Japan. How, yeah. In Philippines, are there any news or
Uh,
are there any article about
Philippines.
Japan? What would like to continue the Olympic?
I think maybe yes, but I haven't read any article yet in the Philippines. I just
Oh,
read an
really?
article
Mm.
here at Native Camp. There was an article chosen by a student for the daily
Yeah.
news. And actually,
Oh,
yeah,
really?
it's here at Native Camp that I'm able to read a lot of news actually because we have news, right? News lesson. And so
Yes.
these are also updated. So most of the time, actually, I have like more than two students already who chose this topic about Olympic, Tokyo Olympic.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I learned that there are 350,000 people who
Yeah.
gave their
Ah,
signature,
really?
yes, and doctors who are trying to cancel it, something like that.
Uh,
But still, the government is willing to hold the Tokyo Olympic.
uh, yeah, I think other country don't care about if
Mm,
we continue Olympic or not. So,
mm.
so, mm, but yeah,
Yeah, yeah. I think if you will ask, for example, me, and for example, if you'll ask me about
mm,
that, I would also think also of, let's say, a lot of athletes who gave their time, their effort to practice, to train a lot,
mm,
right? So
mm,
it means that their effort and time will be wasted as well, right? If we will, it will be canceled again. So it was already canceled, right? Now,
yeah,
but looking at the situation
yeah, right,
also for safety of Japan, something like that, sometimes we are,
yeah,
worried about what may happen. But of
mm,
course, since they said that the vaccine is already available, right? So
yeah,
just make sure that all these players are vaccinated before they
mm,
come into Japan, right? Just to make sure that they are already vaccinated. I think just like the article said that this can also like give hope to the world. Say for example, yep, if this Tokyo Olympic will be held successfully and like nothing happened, no spread of the virus, and then
yeah,
it will be a good example of the possibility that we can hold such
Um,
event, and it was still successful.
um,
So it will give hope to the world. Like, hey,
um,
and they will say, hey, wow, so we are not really doomed. Something like
yeah,
our situation is not totally terrible. So
yeah.
there is hope, right?
Um,
So there is also a good message for that to the world. Yes.
yeah. Well, yeah, I
Mm.
can understand that
Yeah, exactly. So
that aspect. Mm,
it's a big sacrifice for the Japanese people,
yeah.
but if you know, if it happens successfully, um, the world, all the people all over the world will admire Japan for holding
Mm-hmm. Mm,
such kind of event, because everybody also is excited to see
mm,
big events like that, because they want also their players, their country to represent, and then they are excited. Yeah, they want to find out because a lot of sports and competition has been canceled, right? Have
yeah,
been canceled. So it's like a
yeah.
big
So
disappointment
far.
to many people. So
Mm,
if this will be canceled, so it's really a big disappointment to sports, the
yeah.
sports world, right?
Mm,
So yeah,
oh,
it's positive and
yeah.
negative, right? It's positive and
Yeah,
negative.
yeah, yeah.
It's always like that.
Oh,
Let's just hope that nothing bad will happen,
yeah.
that it will be a successful one.
Yeah.